best out of waste project as part of the Shra celebration, making Durga Maa. Take ice cream sticks and empty water bottle. Use acrylic colors to color the bottle like sari with borders and blouse. Use white color first. Next use red, green and yellow colors. Here is the bottle decorated as sari. Draw a sketch of face on paper with pencil. And color it with some decorations. Make it colorful. Make hands with clay and color as blouse hands. This toothpick is used to make trishul. Use two-way sticker to stick face to bottle. Stick clay hands and attach ice cream sticks as extra hands. Draw fingers and bangles. Make trishul using toothpicks and yellow clay. Stick clay around the toothpick and paste on hands of Durga Mata. Add some jewelry. Finally, Durga Maa is ready.